I'm a Japanese writer. Name is Mikan Oshidari. I was smartphone addiction, but I switched dumb phone and flip phone. I introduced digital detox in YouTube video, and I wrote book, Japanese and Chinese. Today's video, I bought it today. Oops. Sorry. He is my favorite Japanese animation character. It's a ninja student. Very cute. Okay. I bought two dumb phone, flip phone. Japanese new release dumb phone, flip phone, released on the 7th of this month. The name is RakuRakuhon. RakuRakuhon is mean easy to use phone. It's great for elderly people, but also a great way to digital detox. It's a photo in box. It's Japanese famous actress. I'll tell everyone I bought it today, but I'll take this RakuRakuhon's video. Take a RakuRakuhon's video next day. Sorry, I haven't been able to reply to comment lately. Sorry. Thank you as always. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Promise I'll take this RakuRakuhon's video next day. Sorry late new video release and new video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.